All right, we are here today with and
Chloe.
And we're gonna do a game of skate. I was like, hey, do you want to play a game of skate? And he was like, no, I'll lose. And I was like, not with me, with Chloe.
And he goes, oh, yeah.
He goes, yeah, man. This is official beginner game of skate. Anything counts. I'm just throwing that out there. We should probably go to skateboard because we need a lot of letters. Skateboard, anything counts. Rochambeau to see who wins.
Oh.
That was like too late. You got it on 3.
Different.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What are you doing? Is your first time rock, paper, scissors?
I always go rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, go 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors,
This is
shoot.
embarrassing.
Okay, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, you win.
So what does that mean?
You do the first trick.
I do the first trick.
What do you mean, what does that mean? You're really showing your age.
But I only know one trick.
What?
Okay.
You're good.
Okay.
Popcorn.
Okay. Ready for this?
First try! Do you got that? Look at his face. He's like, don't even front with me. Says, okay.
That's like all I got. I'm out.
We're out. What are we gonna do?
Tic-tac.
Yeah. Oh, tic-tac. Look at his face. He's like, please, don't insult me. Ah!
This is not gonna end well.
Technically, he fell off at the end there. Is that a letter?
That's a letter, I think.
No, just kidding. You got it. Give him something he can't do.
I don't think there's anything I can do that he can't do.
Well, not with that attitude.
Okay.
Right off the curb, maybe.
No.
Okay, monster walk. Yeah, crab walk. Crab walk. Okay. Okay, so now the thing is we spotted a weakness.
Okay.
We need to exploit that weakness somehow. What about like rolling fakie and then do a 180 kick turn?
Rolling fakie. Let me see if I understand what that is.
Like roll backwards and do a 180 turn.
I fell off. That means he gets to go?
Dang it, Chloe, you're one chance. Okay, you're up. Oh! Rebate, now it's your turn.
My
you messed
turn.
up.
Okay. Can you do that though?
You were really gonna try an ollie. That was really where you were going. She was trying to ollie. Go ahead, your trick. What are you trying?
I was trying to ollie, but I keep turning.
Okay, see? If you do a good ollie, you got it. Pop and then drag.
Okay.
Oh, count it and the phone to the ground. Don't turn your head and shoulders and you got it. Toe, we'll give you a rebate on that. Get the toe off of the ground. Oh, what?
I think that was my only chance.
You got him a letter.
Yes.
Maybe we do just play to skate. Just kidding.
So
your
how
trick.
does that work?
You go again.
Can I just do the same thing over and over?
No.
Oh.
Nice try though. But you could do that rolling fakie would be different.
Rolling fakie.
But do that trick where you do the 180 turn. What are you doing? You were not rolling fakie. Okay, I've got to teach her what fakie means. You're not rolling fakie. You're up.
Okay.
Is that part of it? The turn at the end?
No, it's not.
He said yeah.
I'm
Said
out.
yeah.
I'm out.
Just ride up really slow. Very, very slow. Bend your knees, please. Go. Okay, just let it happen. Okay, now turn 180. Keep going. You had it.
My weakness.
Your first ever game of skate will look a lot like this. Okay, that was S to S. We're all tied up. Now you know her weakness. Now you can exploit it. He's like, yeah, I can. Wow, 180. He's going for your throat.
I know. There's no chance.
If you just give it everything you got, I'm sure you could land a shove it. Or you could try something else. You actually got that. But you got to commit. This is a game of skate. This is life and death. That's letter. That could be a letter.
Yeah.
Wow, he's got that. I never taught you like caveman. Okay, you do whatever you want.
Shove it. That was like a body variable.
I will give you a rebate because
Okay.
you still somewhat landed. I don't know, somebody could call that cheater, but that's fine.
Okay.
Swipe the back foot. Sweep it. Yeah, get the phone. Give me your phone. Wow, Chloe. You got that. Bend your knees.
Okay.
You're gonna take her out? You need to talk a little smack.
We're too nice.
He said, I don't know what to say.
We're too nice with people.
Way too nice. Okay, you got this. Okay, I gave him a trick. Okay, you got that. You basically just toss the board down and jump on. Yeah, I would count that.
Okay.
Hopefully I filmed that well enough.
Yes.
Okay, it's his turn.
If not, it looked incredible and you
Got
missed
you.
it.
All he needs to do is roll down some banks and he's totally got you. We gotta strategize this.
Don't tell him.
He's on the phone, he won't hear us. I think if you get to shove it, like just really swoop and
Yeah.
full commit.
Yeah.
Keep your front foot on the board and you got it.
I feel like I do have it. It's just a little bit in my head.
Is it cheating if we practice while he's on the phone?
Yes,
Give a
that's
couple
cheating.
practice. Okay, he's back. She landed that one you just did. I was shocked as well. What in the Sacagawea? What do you call that?
Missed it.
Like a underfoot. So it's the same thing as a popcorn, except for the board is on its same as a popcorn, but your board starts here.
But it starts there.
Yeah. And then make it do a full flip. Okay, right here's your official try.
Okay.
Ready? You got it. Jump on!
That doesn't count. As
Yep.
much as I want to say it does.
What do you think?
We'll count it.
He said we'll
Oh
count
my
it.
God, what a nice
That was
guy.
the sweetest thing I've ever seen in my whole of existence. Okay, do another trick. He's thinking about it, thinking really hard. Front side 180.
I've never done one before.
You've never done one. This
No.
could be your first one. Throw, that was your first time landing it? Well done.
Oh my gosh.
Throw your head and shoulders and do an ollie. Easy money.
Wait, which way is it?
The other way.
This way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. You got a K.
Okay, I got a K.
You're lucky, it could have been A. Wow, front shove, he's just going for the front shove. If you do a shove, Chloe, you can land this. I believe in you. Chloe!
Ah,
Okay, we're not trying that anymore. We're aborting mission.
okay.
What do you got? Oh no, I don't like the looks of that. Fakey ollie.
Give her an immediate letter.
Give her an immediate letter. He thinks you can't fakey ollie.
What?
How rude. Let's see.
Maybe
Roll
I
off
can roll off the top of there. That's pretty much all I can do.
Roll up, kick turn on the bank. Yeah, you can do that.
You think so?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
That was complete failure.
You did everything wrong. Literally everything. Even to the right up was wrong. Okay, go ahead. Okay, just take her, put her out of her misery.
Please. Well, there we go. Now I'm gone.
Just a drop in. Just a drop in. You know, no big deal. You got this.
No.
You actually got it. You don't want to try?
I want to try, but I just know I don't have it.
You completely 100% do have it, but please bend your knees. Full knee bend.
I'm gonna have to take a letter on this guy.
Okay, take a letter.
Okay.
You got this, just not maybe today.
Yeah, not today.
Okay, that's SKA. Okay, what do you got? What are you trying? We did ollie already. She did. That's your one letter. Okay, shove it time.
Okay.
Okay, that was actually pretty good. You were close there.
Yes, almost there.
Dang it. Front side shove it, you got it.
Okay, you know what?
What?
I need to land anything.
You can land this.
I'm thinking literally just a body varial.
Yeah, good idea.
Just to land something.
Yeah, good idea. What?
No.
Please tell me that didn't happen.
That's really
Okay.
silly.
Yes! Taking the trick. He took the trick.
Way.
T?
Oh my God.
You hear what he said? He said, we'll count it. She basically landed.
Because you landed it for a second.
She landed it for a second, it's true. Okay, go ahead.
Too nice.
This is beginner skate. This is not bloodthirsty blood skate. You got that. Okay, shove it, Chloe.
Okay.
If you land the shove it, it'll be the greatest comeback in the history of skateboarding. Better than the 1984 Denver Broncos. Oh, you got that. What in the world, Chloe? You can shove it.
I know.
We did already ollie.
That was an ollie.
Nollie? Switch? Like a switch ollie?
No, just ollie.
Nollie. Wait, do it again.
I missed it.
Wait, what foot forward do you skate with?
Right foot.
Right foot forward? Oh, so like, yeah, nollie, switch ollie. Nollie technically is only when you're moving. Switch ollie. Wow. Okay, take a letter.
Okay.
Last letter. Give us something good. Front shove. Going for the front side shove it. Da-da-da. Can she do the shove it? You actually could land that. Bend your knees and jump, and you got it.
I know.
I know you know we know. You got it! You like that? You want to rebate it?
Rebate it.
Rebate. Just jump back a little more and get the toes off the ground. Ah, you're so close. Chloe, this is your chance. Shove it. First try. Come on, I believe in you. All these years I believed in you.
I know.
Bro, you got it. We got ourselves a good old-fashioned shove it off here.
Shove it off.
Yes,
I can't believe I got a single letter in this game.
I know, it's your first game of skate. Chloe. Wow, that's tough.
There's gotta be a trick I can do.
There is. Casper.
That's it.
That's
You
not
gotta
it.
land like this.
Okay, strategy. Strategize here. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking literally anything that I can do that lands me on the board. I could try to just do a 180.
180 kick turn.
Yeah, 180
flat.
kick turn on
Yeah, get out of the cracks though. That's what's
Okay.
messing you up. Oh, let's go! 180 kick turn. I think we gotta give it to him
I will absolutely give it to him.
because he's so generous.
Yes.
Yeah, count
Okay.
it. 100%. You could do it the other way if you're really badass.
I did it that way, right?
No, you did it the other way.
Oh. That's it. That's it. See if you can do that.
Go, it's your turn.
Wow.
Okay, we'll count it. Great.
Wow.
Go again. Give me a trick this time. Do a shove it. Where in the world of Wisconsin are you?
I don't know.
You gotta get away from that bank.
There's something that people do like this.
Yeah, there
Right?
is. Yeah, there is. Do not even attempt. Do not. No. Chloe, no. No, do not.
Why?
No, you're gonna hurt yourself.
No, I'm not. What do? You jump on it?
I guess. No.
That counts.
Okay, count it. I mean, we did say anything counts. Yeah, just a little hop. Okay.
Ah, he got it.
You got it.
He's
Nailed it.
Too good.
2 good. 3 good.
Here we go. Maybe just hopping on while moving
Yeah, there you go.
and getting it to stop.
Okay, hop on while moving. First try. He's like, get out of my town. I'm part of the East 14 skate crew. Oh no. Yeah, you have that actually.
Yeah.
Push forward and land.
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna get you.
No, it doesn't count.
You got it. You got
can
it, Chloe.
try it.
Put both feet on. What are you doing?
That's a trick, isn't it?
No, you gotta land on the board.
Okay.
There you go. Here we go, offense. Here we go.
This is it for me.
Try to keep your heels as far back as you can and then just roll it forward, just like roll your heel forward. Don't jump, just, there you go!
I did it!
Nailed it!
What are the chances?
Now if you could only do that on offense. Nailed it. Roll the fakie. Bend your knees. Please bend your knees. Wow. Look at this. Ain't nobody dope as me, yeah. She's so fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. Wow.
Whoa!
Wow. We're counting it.
Okay.
Popcorn body varial.
Okay, hold on. Can I see it again?
Popcorn and body varial.
No way.
Okay, I'm gonna lie. That's the sickest trick I've seen. Chloe, please do not jump like that. You're scaring the living beep out of me. This is your last try.
I just tried it. I lost.
On the last letter, you get 2 tries.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't jump so high.
That's the first time you've said that.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Very well done. Very well done. You're the champion. How do you feel?
Aww.
What do you want to say to her?
Ladies, you did your best.
You're so sweet.
This is the best game of skate ever. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.
You killed it.